collab is happening soon. Horotori, yes, full Horotori collab. I think not next week, but the week after. Yeah, it's really difficult to coordinate everyone's dates. I was thinking about that. That it looks like kind of like a penguin design to me as well, but nothing says she's a penguin. Is that just a coincidence that her outfit ended up looking like a penguin? I feel like I would be more relieved if she wasn't a penguin, because we're already so many in Horotori. It's already fucking difficult enough to coordinate them. Her name is kind of like a penguin from a movie. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, Kowalski. I heard that somewhere before indeed. Maybe it's just a joke. We will have to wait and see what she says in her debut. もしかしたら新人が鳥なのかな逆にちょっと困る鳥がもう多すぎねん。マネジメントに困るわ。スバルは人間です。そうだ、スバルを追い出そう。Yeah, how about we kick out Subaru? Just kidding, I would never do that. But I mean, if I have too many birds in this group, wouldn't it be logical to kick out the one person who is not a bird? Nah. She is a duck, no matter what. スバル先輩はね、もう完全に鳥になってるよ。しゃあないよ、あれは。もともと鳥じゃなくても今は鳥なんだよ。